Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Oh, man. Ever have crispy green beans before? Oh, fried crispy green beans. Man, I can't remember what restaurant used to make those or still makes it. We don't go out much these days because of certain things that are going on. But you know what? We're going to try it today in the air fryer on the Cosori multi-purpose air fryer. This is an air fryer, roaster, toaster oven. This thing does just about everything, folks. But we're going to try the air fryer portion today, and we're going to do these crispy green beans on the air fryer. All right, folks, so this is what we're using here today. This is P.F. Chang's. This is new. This is crispy green beans, and man, oh man, I love crispy green beans, and I hope this works out. And the instructions don't really give air fryer instructions. It says conventional oven and 450, and we are preheating right now on the air fryer. If you can hear that beep, and that means our preheating is done. So we're just going to get these out, and we've got a tray right there. And I did spray a little bit of non-stick Pam on there. And we're just gonna, actually should have had this ready for you. Just gonna take, and it says to put it in a single layer. So we're just gonna take and dump some on there. We'll put all of them on there. I don't know if they'll all fit, but we'll try. So we just wanna get it in a single layer. And then once I got in a single layer, onto the air fryer to go. All right, there they are in the air fryer. You know, it didn't give air fryer instructions, said to do it on bake, but honestly, believe the air fryer option will work pretty nice. But you know what? Time will tell. Got it set for 35 minutes. I'm gonna take a look-see here and we'll give you a couple look-sees as we proceed, maybe every 10 minutes. So stay tuned for that. All right, folks, like I said, I'm going to show you around 10 minutes. We're right at 10 minutes right now. Well, 15 seconds to go, or we'll be at 10 minutes. But one thing I'm going to do, and you can see in there that it's cooking on this Cosori air fryer toaster roaster oven. It cooks a little bit warmer toward the front, toward you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go another 5 minutes maybe, and then we're going to flip it 180. All right, folks, as you can see, about 11 minutes ago. Let's take a look-see, shall we? Oh, yeah. Browning up a little bit. We got, that's what it's looking like. So I did give them a turn at 15, and we're going to keep on going here. I think we're going to go the whole 11 minutes yet. So give you a look-see when we're getting close. All right, folks, 1 minute later, and I took one of these, and I said, holy smokes, I think these are done. And I took a bite out of them, and I was like, yeah, these are done. So I'm going to give them a little bit to cool off here, plate them up, and show you the final product. All right, folks, there they are. There's our breaded green beans. That was 25 minutes. Like I said, I had no doubt that the air fryer part of it would work. In fact, it would probably crisp it up better than put it in the oven. Yeah. Crispy green beans, I'll tell you what, a little salt on there. And then like, you know, French fries, maybe a little ketchup. Oh man, I think that'd be really good. So anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman, YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. But you know what? Even if you don't, I appreciate you watching. Thank you, folks.